Friday early afternoon. I have been zone cleaning. I'm working on living room and dining room this week, so I have been cleaning my dining room. As you can see, I have taken down the curtains, which I wash, and wash the windows, and I will have a full detailed zone cleaning week by week. Once I make them, I will publish them. So yeah, so it's Friday. Weekend's almost here. We have another busy weekend. We're traveling all weekend, so luckily it's not. It's only the games are only an hour away, so it won't be too bad. But yeah. So I'm just getting ready to put dinner in the oven. I'm doing freezer meals because my husband and my son are heading out for the tournament, and I've started to pack up for tomorrow. Today is just one game, so they don't need too much, but I put some water in there, and then I'm gonna put two of these for tomorrow for him, because he's got 2 games and he usually plays the whole game. So, and then I also have these that I'm gonna take with me. There's Simply bars and some nuts, and then probably a banana too that I'm gonna put in there. And then I usually stick these things in here to clean surfaces or his hands off. I also took out meat for the weekend. I'm gonna do a pot roast in the slow cooker for Sunday, so it's ready when we come home. And we're coming home between the games tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a new Pinterest recipe that I'm trying on for chicken margarita, I think it's called. So I'm in the middle of finishing cleaning up my kitchen, watching some YouTube, and yeah, just keep pushing. The kids are gonna wake up soon, so gotta get this done. So I wanted to show you guys, I've been doing some cooking, and for this week and stuff like, and I had some stuff left over, so I just wanted to show you how far some meals can go. So let me show you. So last night for supper we had chili, so I have enough here for my husband and I to have dinner or lunch, probably a little bit more than that, or just for the daycare. Then I made soup yesterday for lunch it was a tomato basil soup in an Instant Pot. And I already had lunch. I froze one like this already yesterday because I was keeping this for today. Then I ended up having something else for today, so I'm freezing, so I have 2 more. And then tonight's dinner, I have lunch for tomorrow for sure. This is the one with no noodles, and this is one with noodles. And then I also had made no bean chili for my husband because he's doing low carbs, so he's got 2 lunches here, no problem. So a little bit of extra cooking, a long way. So I just finished cleaning. My lips are like so dry. I think I'm falling apart. I've been not feeling well at all. I've had headaches and my throat is killing me and my nose is running. I look like this. So anyways, but I'm by myself. This like never happens. My husband and my son are at a tournament just for one game and they're coming back. The tournament's all weekend. So my daughter's at dance and I thought I was going to be productive. I cleaned the kitchen. So see, the kitchen is all nice and cleaned. I was going to shoot a plan with me video and kitchen decor tour video. And then, let me just show you. This came on. I love Disney movies. I do love them. So now I'm not sure whether I should sit down, have a cup of tea and watch a movie, or if I should do some videos. If I don't get those videos done, they're not gonna go out. They're not gonna happen. And maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll have the movie on and do the video. We'll see. We'll see. So, as you can see, I got myself all dressed up. My TV is not working for me today. So I had, just 1 second. Ooh, my googly eye. My googly eye. So I have got myself all ready. Not too much makeup or anything like that, just so I don't look like death. I will be picking up my daughter in about an hour and a half. So I have done two videos, which I'll be posting next week. And so I did a kitchen decor, and then I did January favorites. And I just came down to the basement to pick up some planning supplies because I'm gonna record a plan with me video. But I wanted to show you, the reason why I brought you down to the basement, I wanted to show you, let me just get a better light there. I wanted to show you something. Do you see this? Oh, where is it? Let me see there. Ah, the yucky old wood. Yeah, I have a new project that I'm gonna be working on. I had finished working on the crib. The crib is done. It's still here. They still haven't picked it up, but the crib's going. So I have a piece of furniture in the garage that needs to be painted. But I'm thinking I'm gonna finish this one first before I start that one, just because I think this one will take less time. So, and I need it. So I want to have an entryway bench because I'm so sick and tired of my son and my daughter using my living room as to put on shoes, and with winter there's salt everywhere and the salt's getting on my laminate floor. I think I have lipstick here. So yeah, I wanted to build a bench, and I got some inspirations from Pinterest. So I'm gonna be building a shelf. So let me show you the wood and the materials. Okay, so here's an old rickety piece of wood that I got at this place called Timeless Materials in town. So I'm gonna clean it up, stain it. I don't think I'm gonna paint it. I think I'm just gonna stain it. And then this one I'm just going to leave as is. Probably cut it shorter. And I'm gonna go, I think I might have some at home, but I have to double check. If not, I'll go and buy some hooks to go above the shelf. And then for legs, I will be using, ew, this is all oily, plumbing pipes. That, and these. So I'm super excited to work on this project, and of course I will take you along for it, for the whole process, so you see. And yeah, I can't wait to get started. I just need a free weekend, and I think I might have one next weekend. yeah, I think next weekend's free, and then the next 2 weekends are busy again, and then yeah, so maybe next weekend. Okay, so I'm gonna go up, shoot the plan with me video, and so I think this was it for this week. It's nice and short. Unfortunately, I was so busy that I barely picked up the camera, but hopefully next week will be longer. Thanks for watching, and if you